Okay, hello and welcome to day number 8 of our 90-day workshop. Today we're talking about why every photographer needs a CRM, which is kind of expanding on yesterday's topic of all the things you need to know before you book your first client. So CRM, which is Client Relation Management, is basically the entire back end of your business, which you should really be managing by software as soon as possible. Because if you're not, then this thing that you're building, as it gets bigger and bigger, it's going to crush you. But if you use software to automate it, systemize it, then all that weight that's, being put on your shoulders is being carried by a computer. That's what allows us as modern people to do so much more work, and not lose track of things. So there's a bunch of them out there. I personally use Pixify, which is literally made for wedding photographers. I use it for other stuff like the video stuff we do, and you can use it for portraits, all that stuff. It's pretty straightforward and simple, and I don't use half the stuff in it, to be completely honest. I basically just use the functionality that I need, because setting these things up takes a lot of time, takes a lot of effort, and the sooner you do it, the better off you'll be. Because if you get it all set up before all these clients start coming in, then you don't have to worry about implementing the system while you're trying to also do work, because that's when things get complicated and hard. Other ones I know are out there like 17 Hats, Tave. I'm trying to think of some other ones off the top of my head. Q Studio or something like that, I think is an older one. But yeah, there's a million of them out there. Really, it's going to come down to a personal decision on finding something that you think, the branding looks good and is compatible with your branding, especially the forward-facing part that your client sees. I talked about this earlier in the week. We're very transparent with everything we do. So I will actually bring up the back end of my client management system up in front of the client a lot. So they kind of see everything. I'm not too worried about them knowing what software I use. So I like having something that's very easy to navigate so that I can just kind of click through while they're sitting across from me. And it's not I'm not sitting there oh, I wonder how I invoice and stuff like that. So things I think that a good CRM should have and you should look for is a way to track incoming leads and possibly automate the process of responding to emails. We have templates built out. We'll go in and say you send me an inquiry. I'll go in and I'll make sure that if you told me your venue or something and I've shot there before, I'll let you know that I've done that. And then specific things if I know the person or if they've come in from a friend, I'll say oh, I hope they're doing well. Just normal human communication stuff that we all should do. So track leads. It should smooth out your booking process, and all of that should be in place before you meet with your first client or potential client. It should allow you to do invoicing and allow you to collect payment through credit cards. Pixify uses a Stripe based system. Others use PayPal and stuff like that. It doesn't matter. All the percentages are pretty close to what each one charges. It's just important that you're able to take credit cards because a lot of people want to pay that way nowadays. And really, yeah, it's there to help you manage growing, essentially. So if it's not in place and you grow too fast, you're gonna bury yourself. I like to point out I have a big filing cabinet in my office, and it's full of contracts from my first 2 years in business because I needed physical space for each one of those contracts. Now I have 100 times as many contracts, and it's not taking up any space. It's literally, on a server somewhere up in the cloud. So that was probably the best move I made in business, was getting this system implemented and making it serve me before I got too big and it became just a massive task to do. The nice thing I like about Pixie Set 2, and I don't know if others do this, but they probably do, is it won't let me double book things. When I book a wedding, it will lock off that entire day because we do full day coverage, so we're not shooting 2 weddings in one day. So when another lead comes in and I enter them into the system, if someone's already booked that day, then it tells me immediately, and then I can refer them somewhere else, or just let them know the day's not available. That's probably the single most important thing in the system for me personally, because I'm bad with calendars essentially. But yeah, I can't stress enough, like, set up your CRM before you get busy. If you want to do like more than maybe I'd say like 3 weddings a year, it's worth setting it up. It'll pay for itself 100 times over. We actually just bought like the lifetime membership to that, because they also do a subscription based model where I think it's like $10 or $20 a month. But we just said, like, we're gonna use this for a long time. It's worth buying the lifetime. I'm pretty happy with that decision, because now I can set up like multiple brands and stuff. It's really cool. But again, shop around. Don't just go with the one I'm saying, because when I bought it, it was what I thought was the best, or maybe just like the right price point for where I was as a business. And now I'm pretty much invested into it, where switching systems would be like a huge pain. So it's pretty important to like choose a CRM that you're going to stick with, so that you're not redoing all of this work. So that's essentially what it is for today. Like, pretty straightforward. Just get yourself a CRM. It is completely worth it. It's not, cool, fun equipment or anything like that. It's just something that your business needs and should have. Cool. So that is where today ends. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to talk about. I haven't planned it yet. So if anyone wants to leave a comment and suggest something, feel free. Otherwise, I'll come up with something, and I'm sure it will be just as entertaining. All right. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.